So this is my kitchen. I'm not going to show you the laundry room because that's done, but this is going to be where my fridge is going to be. And this is my disaster kitchen right now. Just took down the curtains and everything, so the sink and everything is going to be done. My windows. This is why I came in here. I was in Miss Flower Glamorous, Beverly Black's live, and I ran in here because they just took down the, what is that, the stove thing, convection oven. So this part is already painted how I want it to be, but that's taken down because it's going to be a new convection oven. Look at this stove. Can you believe people actually use this stove? That's scary. But anyways, I'm gonna have a new stove, a new convection oven. Probably gonna repurpose this cabinet. I'm gonna get new floors through the whole house. But I'm gonna show you the afterwards of what my kitchen is gonna look like. Oh, and it has this, it has skylight in my kitchen. So you guys could see outside. All of that is gonna get done. The roof just was done. So I'm gonna get probably something decorative to make it look prettier, but that's what it looks like right now. So at least my roof is not leaking, but this is how it looks right now. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it's going to look like afterwards. So this is my before of my kitchen. Stove. And it has a drawer at the bottom. This is the Amana stainless steel, also a hood, so that we don't have to deal with all of the smoke. So I'm very excited. Stove plus the hood. I'm also going to show you the picture of them, and I'm going to do a review of my stove. So guys, you saw, got the stove. Now I have a microwave. This is the Hamilton Beach stove. I'm going to put a link to it. I bought it from Walmart. It's a regular microwave. So I'm going to put the link in the description box below to this actual microwave. So now I got the side by side. I can show you a microwave plus the stove. I think it goes very well together with the hood. I think that goes really good together. So I'm excited to show you guys this, and I'm going to be reviewing my microwave next so you guys can see what I think about it. Thank you so much for watching. I am Marlene. I am the content creator for Marlene Renovates and Decorates, and on this channel I will be showing you my home buying process and renovating my home. So if you're new, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you will find out about future content. Thank you for watching.